Wash days don't have to take the whole day, and as someone who used to dread washing my hair because it took forever, this is my simple, fast, but still effective wash day routine from start to finish. I use my hibiscus water to take down my wrinkled braids. Today I'm going to be using a mix of flaxseed and aloe vera gel. I start by focusing on the ends and the strands and then working my way up to my scalp. You also want to make sure to go in between each strand so it's not just sitting on top of your hair but actually penetrating. Then you cover that up with a plastic bag and leave on for about 30 minutes. I start off with a clarifying shampoo. This one is a scrub and it feels so nice, lathers so well. I don't use this every week, but when I know I have more build up than usual, then I follow that with a hydrating moisturizing shampoo. This one has honey in it, which is great for your hair. Focusing on your scalp and kind of going in a straight down motion, not a circular motion, so that way it has less tangles. If you've been stuck at shoulder length for what feels like years, or you want to start your hair growth journey but don't know where to begin, or you just want to be more consistent with your hair care routine, Type 4 Hair app is perfect for you. There's a forum where you can ask and answer any hair questions, also personalize your calendar and routine, and probably my favorite feature, keeping track of your progress with lens checks. Available to download on either iPhone or Android. Right before my conditioner, I like to go in with my herbal tea. Once I pour that into my hair, I don't rinse out yet. I just follow up with my deep conditioner. I also don't detangle when I deep condition. I don't detangle in the shower at all, or when my hair is like extremely wet. I also go in with a scalp massager. Usually I do this when I'm shampooing my hair, but I forgot, so once the deep conditioner has had time to absorb and do its thing, you rinse that out as well, and really make sure to do a thorough rinse. Also highly recommend using cold water or at best warm water, never hot. Now it's time to style. I start off with my leave-in cream. This one is really thick and I love it so much. I use a generous amount. I like to coat each strand of my hair, and I'm also gentle with my hair. Then I go in with my oil. This is the Type 4 Hair herbal oil. And I like to apply all my products in a praying motion. That way it helps evenly distribute the product. Followed by some Old Faithful Blue Magic. Now we detangle. Kind of alternate with my tangle teaser and my fingers. I do prefer finger detangling. Going in between each strand, checking for knots and tangles. I kind of just repeat that on my hair in sections. Seal everything in with this moisture sealing lotion. Time to blow dry. Going in first with your heat protectant. Again, I like to spray to my hands first and then apply in a praying method. Again, working in sections. To braid it down for the night, I'm just going to go in with my 2 French braids. This is what I do after every single wash day. Just keep the hair stretched or as stretched as possible. To finish up, I like to go in with a little bit of shea butter, add some shine and extra grease. That's all. Happy wash day.